This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. The 1.8 kilometers long Feni Bridge connecting Sabroom in India with Ramgarh in Bangladesh will be completed by December this year. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari announced this after laying the foundation stone of 9 national highway projects in Tripura through video conferencing yesterday. He said that the Feni Bridge being built at a cost of 129 crore rupees will ease transportation of goods from Chattogram and Kolkata ports. Describing Tripura as the gateway of the Act East policy of the central government, Union Minister of State for Development of Northeastern Region Dr. Jitendra Singh said that very soon a train to Bangladesh from Tripura will start. It will herald a new chapter and open new vistas in development of the Northeast by providing the entire region access to seaports. In Manipur, 6 persons expired due to COVID-19 related complications yesterday, increasing the number of fatalities induced by the pandemic in the state to 150. On the other hand, 180 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the count of positive cases so far to 17,604. All new cases are locals and do not have travel history. They are suspected to be infected through local transmission. 151 persons were also discharged from hospitals and the recovery rate has improved to 75.02% in Manipur. Nagaland registered 63 fresh cases of COVID-19 infection yesterday, taking the tally to 8,726. Health Minister S. Pangnew Phom informed that 36 cases were detected in Dimapur, 18 in Kohima, 8 in Mon and 1 in Tuensang. He also informed that 35 more patients recovered from the disease. The number of recovered cases in Nagaland now stands at 6,755 with 77.41% recovery rate. Presently, there are 1,860 active cases in the state, health officials informed. Meghalaya registered one more COVID-19 related death and 70 fresh viral infections yesterday, taking the active cases to 1,411 and the number of fatalities to 82. Health officials informed that 172 more patients recovered from the disease, increasing the number of recoveries to 7,543. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that an amended standard operating protocol for testing and discharge of COVID-19 cases were issued to ease out entry and exit of people. Traders who do not business in Meghalaya during the day and return to Assam the same day will not need to test themselves daily at entry points. However, they will have to undergo rapid antigen test after a gap of 10 days. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has instructed the Health and Education Department to shift the COVID care centers located at educational institutions. Educational institutions in Assam are to resume classes from the 2nd of November. Mr. Sonowal told the Health and Education Department to follow all COVID-19 protocols while resuming classes. Emphasizing on the digital mode of education, the Chief Minister also instructed the Education Department to provide smartphones to the BPL students. The Vigilance Awareness Week was observed at Umiam Airport, Shillong. Director of the airport, Manish Kumar Agarwal, along with airport staff members, took pledge for integrity and fighting against corruption. This year, the Vigilance Week theme was Vigilant India, Prosperous India. The Shillong Airport will also organize various activities like quiz competition, painting and workshops to create a holistic approach to ensure maximum participation of the citizens. An attestation parade was held at Assam Regimental Centre, Happy Valley, Shillong yesterday, in which 69 recruits took oath of affirmation. The parade was reviewed by General Officer Commanding 101 Area. The ceremony was conducted with all COVID precautions at Parson Parade Ground at the ARC Centre. In his address to the attested young soldiers, the reviewing officer extolled the virtues of selfless service to the country. He recounted the contributions of the Northeast and Assam Regiment towards nation building. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.